In this video, I'll guide you through troubleshooting, steps to fix Star Wars Jedi Survivor crashing or not launching on PC. The first solution is to update your graphics drivers. Open Device Manager from the Windows search, locate Display Adapters, right-click, and choose Update Driver. You can either browse your computer or search automatically for drivers. The next solution is to close unnecessary processes using Task Manager, Shift to disable any non-essential processes. Another step is to check for Windows updates. Simply search for Windows Update in the search bar. Go to Settings and click Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your PC. Lastly, you can disable Microsoft services by searching for Windows misconfigured in the search bar, navigating to Services, hiding all Microsoft services, disabling all, and then restarting your PC. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found it useful.